Alright, I want to show you guys something so that you don't get scared off. I'm not, I should have sold my silver, I should have sold my gold. No, you shouldn't. You should be keeping it and buying more as the price goes down, because there's no telling how low it will go or where it will stop. It may not go that low. I don't know. But do not sell. Be prepared to buy. It may be one more opportunity of a lifetime, literally, of a lifetime, that we can get silver and or gold for cheap prices, especially silver. This chart is today for the price of silver, this green one. The red one was yesterday. Now, as you can see, we had a high of approximately $40.50 right here, and this would have been at about 130, 145, I don't know, in the afternoon. Right about here is when Ben Bernanke opened his mouth and talked about basically a covert QE3 / bond swapping, whatever going on. And then the overnight markets didn't appreciate that too much. Now, if you look, the lowest part right now is close to $36.50. Not quite. It's a little higher than that, but we're just going to round that off for now. $36.50 to $40.50 is exactly $4 in less than 24 hours. The other day when I talked about the webbot guy that someone sent to me and said, hey, is this what you're talking about? The general coming out and talking about the sun when he's being interviewed by the news people, and he goes off and totally off topic and talks about the sun. Well, the problem was it was a fairly high level, I think it was a lieutenant colonel, pretty high level guy, but by no means is that a general. It's basically kind of the next step down, so to speak. And the webbot said that we would see $5 a day moves coming thereafter, and then after that $20 a day moves in silver. This is a $4 move today. I want you to keep that in mind, because if the price by the chance goes down $20 from let's say it hits $30, next couple of days it goes down $5, we're down to $30 silver, and it goes down $20 for a $20 move that day, strictly down. The $20 moves doesn't mean it has to go straight down. It could go down $10 and then back up $10 or something like that. That's still a $20 move for the day. So I'm just throwing that out there. If it did go straight down, that would be $10 silver. I would tell you to load the boat so much, we would clean out the entire physical silver supply of the world, probably. People would. But if that's the case, then how could there be another $20 move thereafter? It's already at $10. It can't go down $20 more. That would be minus 10. So I just want to share this with you because I want to show you a couple other things here. Alright, so we are down today approximately, again at the time of this video, about $2.70 for silver in the red. Now, let me show you another chart. This is when quantitative easing 1, the first time we heard that term, quantitative easing 1 or QE1 kicked in. Basically, beginning of 09, throughout all of 09, and slightly into 2010 here, the first few months of 2010. After this is when QE2 kicked in. And as we currently know now, September 22nd, 2011, which isn't on this chart, we're fixing to get started with QE3. And I want to show you something. So remember, all of 09 and slightly into 2010 was QE1. So here we go. All of 2009, we had started around $11, January 09. $11 silver. It's probably making you sick right now, seeing how cheap it was. Down to $10.50 here for a second. Then back up to 12. Alright, so there's that. 12, 13, 14, 12. Alright, I'm just going to scroll down. 16, 14, 15, 17, 17.50, 18, 19, 19, down again to 17, back up to 19. Alright, 16's low, 15, 16 again, 16.50, 17, getting close to 18. This is all, January, February, March, April of 2010. So we're basically back in the $17, $18, $19 range within these few months here. When it started out, when the QE1 started, it was freaking 10 and 11. Okay? So let's go down some more. Let's start back at April 2010. This is roughly when QE2 is getting ready to kick in. Sometime around here anyways. I don't know the exact date. So we're now touching into the 19s. Back down to 18, 19, 18, 18, 20s. Here we go. Nice shot here through September. $22, $24, 26, 28, etc. 30. Here we go. December 2010. Now we're into 2011. We are still in quantitative easing 2, by the way. 32, 28 to 34 here. February, March, and again April. We have $38 to practically almost 50. It was $49. So we had an approximately $18 move. Or wait a minute. Maybe I misspoke on that before. When I said we had an $18 move, that wasn't not accurate. It looks like when I said April. So in my other videos. But anyways, you get the point. And again, we had the CME come out with the margin increases, which completely flushed out the market, complete corruption. But nonetheless, it did get pushed down to the low 30s here, back up to 38. June 38, whatever, 36, 35, 38. Here we are, 40 again. That's July, August, September is where we are now.